All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Alliance Designs Bangarang here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this beauty right over here. This is the production version of the custom Bangarang with a 3.25 inch long cutting edge and 4.25 inch long handle, 7.5 overall for the length of this fella. Let's also check the weight right away, so because I tend to forget to weigh the piece, but you know, there you go. Now we got to know that this is 5.808 ounces. That's gonna be the weight you're gonna feel in the pocket. Look at this action. So here we have Alliance Design made production version of the custom Bangarang from Christensen Knife Works. I want to thank my buddy Eden for sending this guy along. Alliance Design is a great company. They're doing really cool pieces indeed. Fat carbon scale, you got a zirc pivot collar, flush pivot screw, backspacer and clip are also matching the collar, and these are zirc blasted. Amazing finish, guys. This thing is just spot on. Really cool, especially if you have a custom to compare it to, and I'm gonna shoot a video comparing these two guys. Stay tuned for that. But here we got this liner lock, which is beautifully made, RWL 34 steel. It's just like it's an amazing one. This guy is around $350 in this configuration, blacked out and stone washed blade, full belly. Look at the jimping, dual thumb studs. This just flies like a rocket, guys. Like, great action. This thing rides on bearings. It has a nice swedge. The handle also is nicely designed, good ergos. You have this large finger groove also acting as a finger guard. This is not a flipper only. You can do like easily like a spidey flick. You can do thumb flick. You can do two hands opening, and it's just a really cool action, very satisfying. Look at this. It doesn't drop shut, but you just with a little wiggle, the job is gonna be done. I wish it had a little bit more clearance for the thumb, but you see it has a little notch over here to access the lock bar, so not too bad. Titanium liners going on, of course. And I mean, overall, this is a pretty cool knife. Look at the backspacer, nicely done. The sound is also, whew, that is pretty cool. So guys, there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.